Acha, so one of the things, so I was reading your research, and बहुत सारे issues, of course, you know, when you're working in the sector, you're aware, but the way you sort of listed them all down, तो ऐसा था कि, you know, I would close it for a bit, और I was like, I need to take a deep breath, क्योंकि दिल खफा होता है, दिल परेशान होता है कि ये तो ज़लज़ले को अब कितने 17-18 साल गुजर गए, तो हमें ये पता है कि जो उसका लास्ट लॉट ऑफ स्कूल्स था, डिस्पाइट कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे कितना एम्फोसिस है और सिर्फ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को ही रीबिल्ड करने पे, उसका लास्ट लॉट ऑफ स्कूल्स पिछले साल कंप्लीट हुआ, राइट? 17 साल के लैप्स के बाद। और जहाँ पर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आ भी गया, वहाँ पे जिस तरह आपने भी अभी काफ़ी बात की है इस पर, एंड आई फील दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टेक अवेज फ्रॉम द स्टडी, कि हम लोगों का फोकस बच्चे जब क्लासरूम के अंदर हैं तो वो क्या सीख रहे हैं उस पर तो सिरे से है ही नहीं। और फिर डिज़ास्टर्स की वजह से, और अभी तो हम बैक टू बैक 2 इमरजेंसीज़ को देख रहे हैं ना, वन ऑन द हील्स ऑफ द अदर। पहले पेंडेमिक आया और स्कूल्स प्रोलॉन्ग्ड अरसे के लिए बंद हो गए, और अब सैलाब आ गए, तो फिर उसी तरह की एक अनसर्टन सिचुएशन है फ्लड हिट एरियाज़ में। सो देन आई एम थिंकिंग कि हम बात करते हैं, देयर आर बज़वर्ड्स, शॉक रेजिलिएंट एजुकेशन। तो शॉक, हाउ डज शॉक रेजिलिएंट एजुकेशन लुक लाइक? व्हाट इज़ इट? And what are some of the recommendations you would want to, you know, really want the government and the donors to focus on?
Ariba, I think that's like a sort of a very good kind of summary of what it means to have a shock resilient system, not just a shock resilient building, but a shock resilient system and what it looks like. So the couple of things that sort of really stood out to me in this research, सबसे पहले तो ये था कि जो 2010-2012 में एफर्ट्स हुए हैं पोस्ट उसके बाद, I was really sort of shocked to see that there wasn't a lot of preparation that was part of that response, right? In the sense, weirdly enough, I think 2005 earthquake में के बाद हुआ था जब केपी के स्कूल बने थे, कुछ स्कूलों में there was effort put in to get teachers involved, to get the school community involved and say, okay, how Sri Lanka's earthquake दोबारा होता है, what do you think you're going to do, right? I don't think it was universal as a strategy. It was quite focused from my understanding, but I didn't hear evidence, I couldn't find, despite lots of probing, evidence that happened in 2010-2012. So the one thing that was really stood out in the flood areas to me, both in Sindh and Balochistan, especially because it was really affected both in 2010, 2011 and up, it's school community level जहाँ पे actually shock आता है, where you have the most promise of the quickest and the highest value response, वहाँ पे कोई काम नहीं. There's no investment made in preparation, whether that's about school buildings or working with head teachers to say, okay, आपका जो ये school है, ये we have to prepare के हो सकता है this doesn't survive, but ये भी we have to prepare for the fact that this becomes the evacuation center by default. His families यहाँ आएंगे. So we've got to like start thinking that, like, the effort to reduce or get communities to start working or thinking about it, because they are the most invested, right? Like उनका सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान उनका है, सबसे ज़्यादा फायदा उनका है, लेकिन कोई स्पेस नहीं है हमारे एक्टर्स जो हैं, चाहे वो humanitarian actors हैं या long term development partner actors हैं in state and outside state. The preparation is not really invested, वहाँ पे है नहीं. There's something known as the school safety framework, वो भी सिर्फ मुझे literature review में मिला, इंटरव्यूज में तो किसी ने नहीं कहा कि हमने इसको इस्तेमाल किया है या हमने प्रमोट किया है या हमने इसकी लोकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देखने की कोशिश की. So it seems to be one of those paper things, at least from what I could tell. And again, I understand that mine is a rapid response research, which means there are lots of पहन जिनको मैं नहीं जानती. So I think the school जहाँ पे ये talk आता है, that is a real missed opportunity. Working with the schools, working with the teachers that exist, working with the head teachers where they are, and supporting them to figure out plans, supporting them to decide कि अगर ये दोबारा होगा, or I think we're pretty sure होगा, how will it happen? And that includes the conversation on infrastructure. अगर वो स्कूल दो जगह पे आपका 2010 में हिट हुआ है, 2012 में हिट हुआ है, यू शुड रियली थिंक अबाउट, और फिर 2022 में यू शुड रियली थिंक अबाउट अगर वो स्कूल वहाँ होना चाहिए फर्स्ट प्लेस, ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ सॉर्ट ऑफ सेइंग हाँ इसको वहीं दोबारा खड़ा कर दें, कहाँ आप खड़ा करेंगे, एंड देन थिंकिंग अबाउट के क्या डिजास्टर रिजिलिएंट architecture system. There are lots of actors within Pakistan who are interested in working on it. I'm not sure they have all the solutions, but who would be happy to work for it. You have to start somewhere. Working with teachers in the mapping and the community, local school community on the mapping के कहाँ school होना चाहिए, क्या ज़रूरियात हैं, how do they see it being purposed, etc. और emergency में वो क्या करेंगे. This includes working with teachers. I would say कि remedial curriculum के लिए कोई जगह बनानी चाहिए. Again, if we're concerned about what's happening in a classroom, in the aftermath of an emergency, immediately, just say, let's say it happens, the priority needs are food and shelter and often educational stakeholders themselves will say, हाँ वो सकते हैं, मैं फिर पढ़ाई रहेगी. And missing the point that actually education emergency response is not just पढ़ाई. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि आप आके पाइथागोरस को theorem पढ़ें. Emergency के दौरान. The school emergency response or education emergency response is meant to create a place for children to come, to have a structure, but also to provide a place for feeding intervention, for health intervention, for making sure that children have a place to be while their parents are coping with livelihood shocks, with domestic work, and in a way almost like offering some sort of childcare. And play and learning that happens is all the play should not be incidental, but the learning is incidental. Most of the time it's just about giving structure in a big upheaval and preparing schools and teachers to deliver that. कि जब होगा ये ऐसे हो. And then moving on beyond the 6-month phase, moving on into remedial stuff. ठीक है, बच्चे पहले कहाँ थे? Should we repeat some of that? Should we start, okay, different kids will have been affected differently. So there is like this focus on the teachers and head teachers and what they can do that's missing. The focus on preparation is missing, which I think we can do. The focus on having curriculums which are around play, which are around, incorporate psychosocial elements, that is missing. I think at points of disaster, so like, it's a dukka, but very ad hoc, it's there. You will see that some schools and things did it, or some NGOs helping out, or CSOs helping out did it, because there's no standardized way of doing it. Local languages में नहीं मुझे पता कि लोग कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे. So that kind of stuff, it could be part of the curriculum material, and there is a lot of scope for this. So I would say that is what I would call some elements trying to figure out if there is a shock resilient education system. Okay, preparing for the next time it hits, but also while doing it, trying to make the school a valuable place for children who were out of school to begin with. So the reason I say that is that TLCs में जो development partners हैं 2010, 2012 में भी उन्होंने कहा, 2022 में भी उन्होंने कहा कि हमने जो tents बनाए हैं, we're seeing some children who have never attended school before come in, ठीक है, but ये कोई plan नहीं है कि अब जब ये TLC खत्म होगा तो उन बच्चों को किस तरह रखें, retain करें. There's like, and I think this is the largest structural problem, which is what I think development partners can be better in. And the government can also be better in, which is that when an emergency hits in the same place again and again, it's no longer a one-off emergency, right? It's part of a longer pattern, which could be part of your long-term strategy. So having our bells and whistles all out emergency responses for 6 months या 8 months का is not helpful. You need especially if the same places are being hit. So there needs to be some level of coordination between the partners who do emergency response and the partners who are working in long term. And that coordination needs to be beyond saying that, हमने अपने development जो हमारे school programs जो हुकूमत के साथ कर रही हैं वो we pivoted them. It's not about the pivot. It's about कि वो आपने incorporate कैसे किया कि ये program चलता रहेगा और ये emergency response इसके अंदर है. So that idea that preparing for the emergency, responding to the emergency is part of your long-term strategy and plan. So that silo जो नहीं है, I think जो policy makers की thinking में है कि ये तो emergency response है, ये हमारे sector plan से होता है. That doesn't work. It doesn't work when you have this consistency and receive a karma, and that is just, I think it's much more of an attitudinal shift, but it is an attitudinal shift that's linked to resources. So, I think for shock resilient when we think about that.
मोइज़ा, थैंक यू. ये बहुत मुफस्सल जवाब था और ये बहुत अहम जवाब था फॉर अ वैरायटी ऑफ रीजंस. बिकॉज आपने ऑफ कोर्स पाकिस्तान इज़ एनीवेज फ्लड प्रोन, सो यू नो एवरी डेकेड वो बीच में तो छोटे छोटे सैलाब आते ही रहते हैं एवरी कपल ऑफ ईयर्स, लेकिन you know we always do embrace ourselves for one big flood every 10 years or so. And abhi with the impact of climate change, तो फ्लड तो एक डिज़ास्टर अक्रेंस है जो हम देख रहे हैं. हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि जो ड्राउट के पैटर्न्स हैं, जो अरेबियन सी के वार्मिंग पैटर्न्स की वजह से जो ओवरऑल इम्पैक्ट पाकिस्तान में मुसलसल आ रहा है और जिसकी शिद्दत बढ़ेगी, तो डिज़ास्टर्स वी नीड टू एम्ब्रेस आवरसेल्व्स फॉर समथिंग जो बस ऐसा नहीं है कि अब 10 साल में एक दफ़ा एक साइकिल आएगी, राइट? सो आपकी बात एब्सोल्युटली, आई मीन देयर आर, आई वांट टू रिपीट इट अगेन because it's so important कि we can't, you know, isolate the sector plans from the emergency response. We have to understand कि हम एक constant state of emergency में शायद walk in कर चुके हैं या करने वाले हैं, and इन दोनों के बीच जो है किसी किस्म की हमाहंगी मुसलसल रहनी ज़रूरी है.